What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's day 19 of opening a Rubik's Cube advent calendar till December 24th. Any other cube stores, please don't decline because of this. It's the only one I can find. And apparently, I heard of a Speed Cube shop one, but I can't get that because it's too expensive to ship to the UK. UKCA? What is that? So this is like a... Is it like a snake? So it says on the side, snake. I guess it is. Let's just rip the box. You don't need to return it. Oh, Jesus. So I do not know how to solve this. But... So this is actually magnetic. Yeah, that feels magnetic. So that's the end of my video. Bye.